Looking to elevate your outdoor gatherings? A barbecue grill fire pit is the perfect combo of warmth and flavor, ideal for cozy nights and delicious cookouts. We've rounded up the top 5 best barbecue grill fire pits that blend style, function, and durability to turn your backyard into the ultimate hangout spot. Get ready to grill, chill, and make unforgettable memories. Number 1. OutVue Wood-Burning Barbecue Fire Pit. The OutVue Wood-Burning Barbecue Fire Pit is a versatile and stylish addition to any outdoor space. This 3-in-1 design functions as a fire pit, barbecue grill, and spacious 42-inch round table, comfortably seating 8 to 10 people when covered with the included lid. Whether you're enjoying a cozy bonfire, grilling up a feast on the 2 adjustable 360-degree swivel grills, or sipping coffee around the table, this fire pit suits all occasions and seasons. Thoughtfully designed, it features modern geometric cutouts that create beautiful firelit shadows while promoting airflow for a strong, steady flame. The durable construction supports up to 30 pounds of wood and is finished with a high-temperature, rust-resistant powder coating for long-lasting use. Safety is prioritized with spark-protecting mesh, a sturdy fire poker, and a stable 4-leg base that stays secure on uneven ground. Assembly is quick and easy, about 20 minutes with clear instructions. The set includes everything needed: fire pit, lid, fire poker, 2 cooking grates, and assembly tools. While it doesn't include a waterproof cover, a rainproof one is provided for protection. Overall, the OutVue Fire Pit offers exceptional functionality, elegance, and comfort, making it a thoughtful gift or a perfect centerpiece for memorable outdoor gatherings. Number 2. Hykolity 2-in-1 Barbecue Grill Fire Pit. The Hykolity 2-in-1 Fire Pit with Grill is a great choice if you're looking for something both practical and enjoyable for your outdoor space. At 31-inch in diameter and 20-foot high, it's the perfect size for cozy backyard gatherings or camping trips. The standout feature is its dual function, serving as both a wood-burning fire pit and a swiveled barbecue grill. The 360 degrees rotating grill grate, 21-inch wide, makes it super easy to swing out for safe cooking, and it can be adjusted in height or removed entirely if needed. One of the clever design touches is the pentagram-shaped vents, which aren't just stylish, they actually help increase airflow, making your fire burn longer and brighter. The outer safety ring around the fire pit adds stability and makes it easier to move when needed. Plus, the mesh cover is a thoughtful addition for spark protection. Made with powder-coated heavy-duty steel, it holds up well to heat and weather, and the sturdy 4-leg base keeps it stable. Assembly is straightforward and tool-free, with only 4 pieces to connect. With a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, Hykolity delivers solid value and comfort for outdoor living. Number 3. Sunnydaze Cosmic Barbecue Fire Pit. The Sunnydaze Cosmic Barbecue Fire Pit is a fun and functional centerpiece for outdoor gatherings. With a 29.5-inch diameter and 21 height, with a spark screen, it's spacious enough to grill steaks, burgers, or veggies while still being compact enough to fit on your patio, backyard, or even at a campsite. The included 23-inch cooking grate gives you plenty of space to cook for a group, and at only 18 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move around. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with a high-temperature, rust-resistant finish, this fire pit is built to last. The star and moon cutouts aren't just decorative, they let the firelight flicker through beautifully, creating a cozy, magical ambience. For safety and convenience, the fire pit comes with a mesh spark screen, a poker tool, a built-in wood grate for airflow, and the barbecue cooking grate. Assembly is a breeze, just attach the 3 legs and the rim, and you're ready to enjoy. Whether you're roasting marshmallows or grilling dinner, this fire pit adds warmth and charm to any setting. Backed by Sunnydaze 1-year warranty, it's a solid, worry-free investment for your outdoor entertaining needs. Number 4. PanaView 42-inch Fire Pit with Barbecue Grill. The PanaView 42-inch Fire Pit is a fantastic 3-in-1 outdoor companion that brings warmth, grilling, and casual dining together in one sleek design. This multifunctional fire pit comes with 2 360-degree swivel, height-adjustable cooking grills, a lid, and a tabletop. Use it as a barbecue and bonfire setup, or cover it with the lid to transform it into a 42-inch round table perfect for meals or coffee with 8 to 10 guests. Designed with a stylish geometric cutout pattern, it casts beautiful shadows when lit, adding charm to your backyard, patio, or garden. The smart airflow design ensures a strong, consistent flame, while the mesh vents keep sparks safely contained. With a 25-pound wood capacity, it delivers a roaring, cozy fire, and the 4-leg base provides stability even on uneven surfaces. Constructed from durable, powder-coated steel, the fire pit is built to resist heat and rust. Assembly is easy, just follow the detailed instructions and loosely fit all screws before tightening. The package includes everything you need: fire pit, lid, fire poker, 2 cooking grates, and assembly hardware. Whether for year-round use or as a thoughtful gift, the OutVue fire pit is perfect for creating warm, memorable moments outdoors. Number 5. Hykolity Outdoor Fire with Barbecue Grill. The Hykolity Outdoor Fire Pit with Barbecue Grill is a stylish and functional addition to any backyard or patio setup. With a generous 35-inch height and 34-inch diameter, this fire pit offers ample space for both roaring fires and outdoor grilling. The included FDA food-grade cooking grill makes it safe to cook up kebabs, burgers, or veggies, while the heat-resistant lacquer coating ensures long-lasting use. The mesh spark guard and large hanging door provide added safety and convenience, keeping embers in and making fire tending easy. Its globe-inspired design gives it a sleek, industrial aesthetic that stands out while remaining practical. The Firebowl circular airflow system raises the firewood, promoting a stronger and longer-lasting burn. Mesh panel sides feature modern patterns, adding a decorative touch as the firelight glows through. Made from heavy-duty, thick steel and weighing 44 pounds, this fire pit is built to last. It rests on angled legs for stability and has a rounded outer handle for easy repositioning once cooled. Whether you're grilling or simply enjoying a cozy fire, the Hykolity fire pit delivers durability, safety, and style. It's perfect for gathering with friends and family for memorable nights around the fire.